Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to Sustainable Smallholding France. I'm Lorraine Turnbull, and today this video is going to explain how you can make a lot of money by doing hardly anything at all. Sounds too good to be true? Well, if you're interested in a really easy way to make money legitimately without doing hardly any work, you need to watch this video. So, I live in France, you all know that. I have a small holding here in France, but I'm also from the UK originally, and I receive a small occupational pension every month, which goes directly into my UK bank account. Now, I have to transfer that over every couple of months or so that I have enough money here to do renovations, whatever, around our little farm here. So who do I use to transfer? Well, in the past, I've used a couple of different companies, but for the last year and a half, I have been using Wise, and Wise used to be known as TransferWise. Why did I change to them? Well, they gave me a really good service. It's secure, it's easy to use, it's quick, it's cheap, and I'm quite happy with it. They also have a referral scheme, which is one way for you to make money. So I am using the referral scheme. If I refer friends to use Wise via the link that's going to appear at the bottom of your screen, then for every 3 friends who transfer over using Wise, £250 in one transaction, then I get €90 deposited in my bank account without me having to really do anything. I'm just telling my friends what a great service I got. Here's the link. If you want to try Wise, then, it could be rewarding for us all. Why is it rewarding for us all? Well, obviously, if I refer 3 friends who then join Wise, I get €90 in that hit. But the person who's joining also gets a fee-free transaction up to €500, £500, and that is not to be sniffed at. If you're going on holiday, you're sending money to students or friends or relations abroad, then this could save you money. So keep watching the video and find out how it works. So I'm just going to make it absolutely clear right now at the start of this video that this is not an investment scheme. You have to invest no money at all in this, and to make money via the referral scheme is free for you to use. So I just want to make that really clear. Perfectly safe. Wise is a very well-known established company, and your money is totally safe because you don't invest anything. So how does it work? Every new customer who signs up to Wise via my link, see the end of the video, gets a free transfer up to £500 or euros or dollars, I think. I get €90 when 3 people send over £250 or euros in one transaction. So you need to make one transaction of over £250, euros, whatever. And for every 3 people who do that, I get €90. And all I'm doing is sharing my personal link to Wise with you, with the internet, on social media, and I can thoroughly recommend them. So my personal recommendation to my family, to my friends, is trusted because they know me. Your personal recommendation, when you use this, you'll be able to use friends, colleagues, relations, whatever. So it's a really easy way for you to earn money by basically sharing a link, which is no problem at all. So I'm going to put a card at the end of this video with my personal link for you to join Wise. And if you do, please send more than £250 in one transaction so that if 3 of you do this, I can get €90. And then it just rolls on with other people referring other people and generates money. Thanks for watching.